If diamond are polished by friction, well then men are perfected by trial. Good evening, beautiful people of Barangay Santo Rosario de Puel. The girl who was naked in your eyes is a fresh, young, teen innocent 18 years old stunner, hailing all the way last from the tricycle capital of the Philippines and celebrating the Banatu Festival, Cabanatuan City. I am Chloe Beltran, but for tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name. Ang babae, bawal hawakan at bawal titigan. Baka hindi nyo na mabitawan. At ang babae, hindi mo makikita na maganda sa umaga. At ang babae, walang kaparis at walang katulad. Nag-iisa, Binibining Jane De Leon.